All right, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So good morning, everyone. I want to thank you for taking your time out of your day to join us here. My name is Drake Lover, and I'm the Annuity Sales Director here at IAMS. In today's webinar, we're going to be hearing from EquiTrust's and our guest, Terry Head. Additionally, I have some important information to share about who we are at IAMS, the quick highlight of our agents' love why agents love working with our team. The most important thing you're going to hear me say is in the top right-hand corner of the slide, and that is our phone number, 800-255-5055. We strive to answer your phone call with a IAMS employee within 2 rings or less. All right. We're going to start out with our new producer builders. For those of you who are new to us here at IAMS, these bonuses are available based on your production level in your first 180 days of contracting with us. We have great levels that you can qualify at. As you can see, inside each level are some great options for you. We've got incredible business building tools, personal perks for you, and even cash rewards available. If you would like to know where you stand today, your new producer builder, or if you would like to have a conversation about how to achieve the next level, please give us a call and talk to your sales director today. Moving on to business builder programs, we're going to go over our referred producer program. I can see a couple advisors on with us that have taken advantage of this program. Our business on the wholesale side of the industry is similar to yours in the field in that one of the best leads we can ever obtain is a referral from one of our valued producers. This is why we want to make it worth your while to refer a producer to us. That being said, when you refer a producer to us and they get contracted, we will cut you a $50 thank you check. Now, where the real money comes in is as your referral writes business, you will receive an override on that business as well. Our ownership team, Steve Murray, Charles Hearing, and Curtis Hawk sign checks for thousands of dollars every quarter. With that being said, if you can think of anyone that could benefit from doing business with our team, please type their information into the question box, or you can give myself an email at drake@imsinc.com. Wanted to briefly go over our back office support. This is another way we add value to your business. This is the core of IAMS and how Charles Hearing founded us 36 years ago. We want to help the independent advisor work smarter, not harder. We are going to do that with great business building tools and resources. Of course, advanced case design assistance and life and annuity quotes. With that, we make a 24-hour turnaround guarantee to you. We're going to get you those illustrations that you request within 24 hours of your request. I'm going to be honest with you, in all reality, you're going to hear back from us and get it much quicker, usually within an hour. Submission to commission support is handled by our new business teams. Amber Williams heads up the annuity side, and Cindy Fry heads up the life side. They have fantastic teams who work tirelessly to help you get commissioned quicker. We will scrub your apps, submit them on your behalf, do all of the administrative tracking, and get you updates on the case as needed. We do this to ensure you get commissioned as quickly as possible. This is a service that we provide to our valued producers and how we help you grow your business by keeping you in front of your clients while our team handles the back office support for you. Another thing I want to quickly go over is our Firelight e-app process. Is a single sign-on to IAMS.com. Technology is where the industry is going, and Firelight is a top-notch site streamlining the application process. Most of our carriers are on eApp platform, so you can go onto one site to submit business. It is COVID friendly and got some carrier, and some carriers are going to eApp only for some of their product lines, and will also offer extra comp for utilizing the eApp platform. Make sure you ask your sales director before you submit a paper app if you can earn more by doing eApp. Utilizing our Firelight platform accelerates the application process substantially as well. The eApp platform helps you submit business in good order for the first time, not having to go back and do corrections. This also reduces the processing time of your business and gets you paid quicker. And as I mentioned previously, this is a single sign-on at imsinc.com. We have integrated our business with Firelight so you can have the most efficient and effective way to submit business. We do have a full in-house creative team as well. We can help you help your practice, and a lot of items are turnkey and available for you. We can simply impose your contact information and your business logos onto it. Speaking of your logos, agency solutions are something that we are very good at, and something that if you haven't created a full customized brand for you and your agency, we can help. This is going to assist you with name recognition, which grows your natural market organically. We can get your logo designed and imposed on business cards, brochures, and stationery. Lastly, what everyone is currently looking for digital marketing solutions, we can help you with websites, social media marketing, email marketing, most everything on here we will happily assist you with. The internet and social media sites are where the overwhelming majority of prospects go to for information. Make sure you are accessible and represented in those marketing lanes is beneficial to growing your business. Feel free to give myself or any one of your sales directors a call in regards to what we may be able to offer your practice in that creative space. Our website is a great tool for our producers to use, and another reason to work with IMS. Once you are contracted, you have full access to everything you see on this slide and so much more at imsinc.com. If you haven't registered for the website, it is very simple to do. When we are done with this call, go ahead and create an account. We'd love to see you on there. A lot of great tools available for you, illustration tools, online forums, product grids, and product news as well. Going to move on to our first poll question of the day. That is, would you like more information on the IMS Wealth Management side of the business? If you click yes, you will receive an automated email and receive a call from Duncan Smith to speak with you about who they are and what they can do for your business. We founded IMS Wealth 4 years ago. What we've done is grow this division on IMS very organically. We've helped advisors become IARs and pass the Series 65 at a very successful clip. Once you have registered, will be great value to your practice. With an incredibly competitive fee structure for both you and your clientele, we have great technology and a great investment platform. This has been a major growth sector of our business, and assets under management could be a major growth sector for your business as well. And I'm going to post that poll right now and give you guys a moment to respond to that. All right, moving on. It's official. We'll be hosting a Life and Annuity Academy this September, the 14th through 16th, and it'll be held in Omaha. And that's actually one we have just done. We have another one coming up in November that is going to be in Iowa. Theme is going to be supporting us on that one. These events are an excellent opportunity for anyone active in the life and annuity markets. All expense paid academies give you an opportunity to learn from our top producers. They will go over their marketing strategies they have used to get from the bottom to the top. It also gives you a chance to speak with your peers in the industry from all over the country. I highly recommend that you do get registered if you guys have not attended one out there in the past. Over the past year, due to COVID, we've not been able to host these, so we're excited to get everybody back together. One of the benefits of working with IAMS is trips such as this. We are currently in qualification period for a great trip to Park City, Utah. And we also share a lot of great information on our social media platform. So go out there and like us on LinkedIn and connect with us. With that being said, I'm going to turn it over to our friends here with EquiTrust that are joining us today. Mr. Terry Head, I'm going to switch the controls over to your side. One moment.
Okay. Okay. And yeah, thank you, Drake, and for this opportunity, and also for all you folks here on the webinar for giving me a chance here to share some information about EquiTrust and our product line here. And it does say presented by Jason Goodrich. Jason is actually your RVP who works with IAMS here, and he's been out all this week. So I'm an internal person on the sales desk at EquiTrust, so I'm helping out with the presentation today. So just a couple things I've talked about in previous webinars with IAMS folks here. One thing that we do work with here at EquiTrust are Roth IRA conversions. And we've got a great conversion opportunity that will only involve one contract. For the first 5 years, there's a full premium bonus of 6% after the conversion. And for you agents, the commission for additional premiums goes on for 5 years. And just a quick little example, client's got a traditional IRA worth $100,000 at another carrier, and they want to convert half of the money over to Roth and spread out the taxation over multiple years. They want to have less taxation once they're in retirement, but they don't want to have multiple contracts to manage. And they don't want to have like the entire sum taxable in the same year. So our solution is our Market 10 bonus product, which is a flexible premium product with the 10-year surrender charge period. You can open actually a qualified Market 10 bonus account for as little as $5,000 for an IRA, and for non-qualified it's $10,000. And a solution that they could work with here, like I said, that traditional IRA, they've got the company, they do partial conversions over 5 years to lessen that tax bill that they would have if they actually did everything all at once there. And then they can just manage one Roth IRA contract with a small taxable amount every year. So now I'll go into the Market 10 bonus product itself here. So our product features, as I've said, it's a flexible premium. It's a 10-year surrender charge period. There's a 6% premium bonus on all premiums received in that first 5 years. And our bonuses here at EquiTrust on all our bonus products are always fully vested immediately, meaning that there's no period of time or a vesting schedule where the client has to wait to actually receive the entire bonus. It's fully vested right away. So say they put $100,000 into a Market 10 bonus, the account value immediately goes to $106,000, and that's what the future growth would be based upon would be the 106,000. Another unique feature is our return a premium rider with Market 10 bonus. There's no fee for this rider. It's built into the product. And what that essentially allows the client to do at any time is to receive their premium back, less any withdrawals they've taken without any surrender fees. They'll always get the better of the surrender value or their premium less any withdrawals taken. So it's a pretty unique feature, especially for FIAs. We show up to age 80. If they want the income rider, they have to be at least age 40. And your street level commission is 6%. With our optional income rider, the rider, of course, gets the 6% income base, gets the same 6% bonus that the account value does there. And that's also for all premiums received in the first 5 years. They would also go over to the benefit base and get that bonus. And it's compounded at 5% for up to 10 years. I am going to get into a special we're presently running in a little bit here, where actually for applications received through 1031, the roll-up rate will be 9% to the income benefit base. The annual fee is 1%, and we base ours off of accumulation value, not the faster growing benefit base. At age 65, the withdrawal percentages for single would be 3.5%, for joint 3%. And then it increases 50 basis points in 5-year increments. And Market 10 works very well if you've got clients who've got liquidity concerns, because we've got that built-in return of premium. That's a great way to consolidate financial resources over several years, hence the Roth IRA conversion example, and accumulation from a combination of the guaranteed bonus and index credits. Okay, now getting into our current rates here. And previously, a few years back, if the income rider was elected, there was a variation in the rates versus a non-income rider contract, but now they're all the same. So we're looking at some very healthy rates here, like a very nice 6% S&P 500 1-year point-to-point cap. Got a great 1-year fixed interest account at 3.20. And with our volatility control strategies, Barclay Focus 50 and S&P Mark 5, we've got outstanding participation rates available there. Like that Barclay Focus 50 2-year is at 165%. So there's definitely strong accumulation potential with all of those volatility control indices. Okay, now we're getting to our market power bonus product. Okay, so this is a single premium product where the clients can only add a premium in the first year. In most states, it's a 14-year design. However, there are a good number of states where it's only a 10-year surrender charge period. It's a 10% premium bonus right away, and that works the same whether you're in a state where the surrender charge period is 14 years or if you're in a state where it's 10 years. We show up to age 75. You have to be at least age 40 to put the income rider on, and it's got a very strong street level commission of 8%. There is an optional income rider. Again, with our income rider, that same bonus that goes to the accumulation value side also goes to the income benefit base, and it's 10%. And it shows compounded at 6% for up to 10 years. And right now, also the market power bonus is included on the special that we're running through October 31st, where the roll-up rate is increased to 9%. It's a 1.25% fee based on accumulation value. The income withdrawal percentages at age 65 are the same as they are on Market 10, single at 3.5% and joint at 3%. And the withdrawal percentages increase in 50 basis points in 5-year increments. And market power bonus with that strong 10% bonus, it's a great way say for clients, especially in like this present market, where all the stocks and mutual funds have really been taking a hit recently here, where they can make up for an investment loss by the 10% immediately vested bonus that the client would gain with moving over. It is for accumulation over a longer duration, but it says 14 years, but as I said, there's several states where it's just a 10-year surrender charge. And this will work for stretch IRAs. Very good solution for stretch IRAs. And then getting into our current rates. Presently, we're looking at 3% for that 1-year interest account, which is very nice. Other rates are very similar to the market 10 bonus there. Looking at a strong S&P 1-year point-to-point cap. Some good monthly cap in there for the S&P, and definitely high participation rates for the two volatility control indices, S&P Mark 5 and Barclay Focus 50, where you're looking at 150% on a 2-year basis, that Barclay Focus 50. So definitely strong accumulation potential. And then getting into the special that we're presently running here, folks. I was talking about the income benefit rider roll-up. And on both of these products right now, Market Power Bonus and Market 10, it's now increased to a 9% roll-up rate to the income benefit base, and that's for all applications received through October 31st on these two products. The business doesn't have to issue, you would just have to have the app submitted by 10/31. And like that Market Power Bonus, since you get such a nice upfront bonus there to the income benefit base, and that roll-up is already there. Market Power Bonus will work best for like somebody who might want to just flip on income in I'm sorry about that, in a few years there. And the fee is 1.25%. The Market 10 with that 6% bonus, which is strong, but for someone who wants to like continue to add some premium, which will also go towards the income benefit base, that's going to work out best for folks who are looking at taking income later on down the line. Okay, now I'm going to get into our two buy-up fixed indexed annuities, Market Force Bonus and Market Max. These products were rolled out in December of 2021. And they're very simple products to understand here. Market Max is a flexible premium product. There is no bonus involved here. 10-year surrender charge period. We issue up to age 80. Your street level commission is 7%. And basically, this is a very accumulation focused product. There's no optional income riders or anything like that. The client has the options to choose between both fee and non-fee options or a combination thereof. If they're willing to pay the modest buy-up fee of 1%, they can get substantially higher cap and participation rates. And there's 4 different rate buy-up accounts available. And with our buy-up FIAs, we still allow the clients to go back and forth between fee and non-fee options. There are some competitors out there where like once clients are in fee options, they can only change within fee options and are allowed to go back to a non-fee allocation. So we have a lot of flexibility with our products. And what we got going on here, like our 3 non-fee options, of course, the fixed interest account, that's very strong right now at 4%. You can do the basic S&P 500 1-year point-to-point cap and get 7.5% with paying no fee, or the Mark 5 1-year point-to-point participation at 170%. If the client agrees to pay the fee of 1%, like that S&P 1-year point-to-point cap, that goes up to 12%. So that's 4.5% higher than the standard non-fee option there. So there's definitely strong potential there. The Barclay Focus 50 will only have a fee option there with a 1-year point-to-point at 180%. We don't do any of the 2-year options with Market Max and Market Force Bonus. Got a very strong par rate of 210% with the fee option on S&P Mark 5. Okay, then getting into our bonus buy-up FIA Market Force Bonus. Okay, it's a single premium, so you can only add premiums in the first year. It's still just a 10-year surrender charge period. It's an 8% premium bonus, which is also fully vested immediately, just like on our other bonus products. We'll issue up to age 80, and comp is the same at 7% as it is on Market Max at street level. And again, it has both the fee and the non-fee options. The buy-up account fee is a little higher at 1.5%. And there's the same for rate buy-up accounts available. And then now I wanted to spend some time with our fixed annuity Choice 4. Now, Choice 4 is a standard fixed annuity where the rate can change from year to year. It's not a MYGA product there, but it offers 4 unique choices, hence the name. Just starts 10 grand to open the account. We do issue all the way up to age 85. Presently, our minimum interest rate is 1%, so they'll never get a renewal rate lower than 1%. But as I'll talk a little bit later, we have an extremely strong history of strong renewal rates with our Choice 4. Full accumulation value benefit. And now to get into the different versions. So we have 2 9-year options. The base version of Choice 4 for the 9-year, it's a nice high rate for the first year, 4.5%. Everything will be guaranteed at that 1% annual. And then it's interest only under the 2 9-year versions. Okay. And there's no bonus on the base 9-year. Now, if the client agrees to MBA with a 9-year surrender charge period, they'll receive a 1.5% bonus for all premiums in the first year. They can only add premium during the first year, and they'll get the same rate. And then getting into our 6-year, which are the more liquid versions of Choice 4. With the base 6-year, there's no bonus. Still got a strong first-year rate of 4%. And clients can take out 10% penalty-free withdrawal starting 2nd year, where the 2 9-year products will always be just interest only. If they agree to MBA with the 6-year option, they get a premium bonus of 1.5% and the same first-year rate of 4%. And that same liquidity there. So it's a fixed annuity, but basically has 4 different choices on the way you set it up. And now this is something we're very proud of here at EquiTrust, is our extremely strong renewal rate history on the Choice 4. So this is going back to 2014. Looking at the 6-year Choice 4 contracts, over 89% have renewed equal to the initial rate. 8.7 have actually renewed above the initial rate, and 1.8% renewed below. So it's a very small percentage that renewed below the initial rate, and this has all been during the vast majority of this time frame during a very low interest rate environment. So because we really only started to see any increases in interest rates during 2022. So we're highly proud of this here and how we've been able to provide these strong renewal rates to our contract holders. Then I'm going to touch on our MYGA product, Certainty Select. So it's a standard MYGA, and we've got 5 different guarantee periods available: 3-year, 5-year, 6, 8, and 10. Of course, the client's interest rate is guaranteed for the entire guarantee period. Just takes 10 grand to open an account. At the end of the initial guarantee period, the clients receive a 30-day window to either renew the contract or surrender. We issue up to age 90. They can start taking cumulative interest at any time, and it's a full accumulation value death benefit. Okay, and now some good news here, even though it's all been good news. Many of you may be wanting to know if EquiTrust is one of the few carriers that will accept new business for inherited IRAs, beneficiary IRAs, and the answer is yes. We're now accepting both stretch and inherited IRAs, and this includes, post-Secure Act also, deaths for death inheritance situations that happened after 1/1 of 2020. So here's a little bit about the different new rules that came with Secure Act. You essentially have two categories of beneficiaries. So you have your eligible designated beneficiaries who will go under basically the old rules, where they'll do a stretch contract, and that could be the spouse of the deceased IRA owner, a disabled person, chronically ill, or an individual that's not more than 10 years younger or they're older than the deceased owner. That would happen quite a bit in, like, say, sibling situations and that sort of thing. And then an ineligible designated beneficiary, or it becomes an inherited IRA, it's anybody who doesn't meet one of the four categories above, essentially. Okay, so what products do we have available? We have many available here. So with a stretch IRA, we don't exclude any of our deferred annuity products. So all of our FIAs and our fixed and MIGA products can be sold in. The exclusion is we don't do the confidence income SPIA. We do allow the income rider on our FIAs for stretch IRA cases. And basically with the stretch, the proceeds are stretched over the beneficiary's lifetime, and RMDs are required using the pre-Secure Act rules and tables. And as I said briefly before, if they don't meet the requirements for an eligible beneficiary, they're treated as an ineligible beneficiary, and we issue the contract as an inherited IRA. Okay, then for inherited IRAs, all products are available except the market power bonus and the confidence income. We do allow the income riders, and we're one of the very few carriers for inherited and stretch IRAs where they are allowing the income riders there. And so basically what it comes down to is the person who inherited the IRA, they have to have either the contract distributed or taxed by 12/31 of the 10th year after the original owner's death. They also have the option with us here of converting the contract to non-qualified at the required time. The required time there. So basically how that would work is we'd convert it to non-qualified. The clients would receive a 1099 for the taxes they owe, and then they could continue to grow the account tax deferred as a non-qualified contract. Okay, so getting to the end of my presentation here. Again, I want to thank everybody for allowing me to speak today and share the EquiTrust story. Our sales desk number is there. That's the team I work on. And we've got a team of 5 folks who are all very experienced and knowledgeable, and always there and willing to assist. So again, yeah, thank you folks all very much here, and hope everybody has a great weekend.
All right, thank you, Terry. I appreciate you jumping on here.
You bet.
This morning over here on Friday, so I know everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Everybody, thanks for jumping on here with us. I did want to throw up one last poll question, and then we'll be out of here for the day. But that last one on here is, would you like to become contracted with EquiTrust? If so, feel free to hit yes on that poll question that is now up, and I'll be sure to give you guys a shout and follow up with you over the next week, or have your sales director follow up with you as well. And of course, always feel free to reach out to us over here at IME. Just any questions you have at 800-255-5055. And yeah, with that, I appreciate everybody coming on, and have a great weekend.
You have a good one too, Drake. Thanks.
Yes, sir.